Alright.
Oh.
What, come on?
That one did.
Oh, maybe this control everything. So. Alright. Sorry. There we go. Let me show you how I go on now. So in a lock it, you know, I like check out the bathroom here right now. So this is the bathroom. If you look on it from this angle, you see it right then good. It's a nice piece of here. So this is one in a Tampa in Arizona. Right? This is one of the better ones them cause me go the lock into them all over, and these are the best bathroom I book up on for the whole of them. Have a good space, but I know overall 5-star. Alright, you look, you see right, just so looks like some little couple of work going, but not too bad. Yeah, we shower. That's so. And the modern type where you have the sliding doors them where you walk in and walk out, so we not knock them and not do anything. And the price not too bad. I see the shower there. Yeah man. This is the bathroom. We'll go outside there and plug it right in there, so off on. Work now so 100. Now every light. Alright. Alright, we could go in the living room and watch see what's going on. Alright, so the living room. Let's see right here, so you have the AC. A blower with a 68 degrees. Bedside lamp. Right. Your drawer. Yeah man. Oh, you have a TV there. Let me turn on the sound because I don't want no copyright infringement. So, alright, we soon go back this. So TV off. Alright, we get to 6 chest of drawers. Bedside lamp there. Have a nice little spot here. You put your coffee, my iPhone a charge, my iPad. I go around, we go down in the walk-in closet. Let's see, small little space here. It's closed off. And then we have one table. We'll do a thing pan. Couple of paintings, couple of horses, wildfire, and then people there. Our bedside lamp, and we have a bed. Bed there. Alright. Yeah. The thing I may not really like with it though is that the plugs them sort of the few and far between. So I have a plug or some I have to match it out of deal with the rest of stuff. So then you have one down here, so then when you check around you have a dummy plug there, so and some around the place. The lightings them, they come like a new pattern where you have no light over the bed or no ceiling fan. We're not knock it, but yeah, this site La Quinta in Arizona, Tampa, Arizona. Tempe, Arizona. Correction there. Yeah man. Good to go. I'm gonna show you outside too. Yeah. Alright. Make that for the hotel review. Gone again. Peace.